From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Penn State student meteorologist Emily Shor here with your Friday morning forecast. Behind me, you can see a view of Beaver Stadium with those cloudy skies. Right now, we have a slight break in the rain, but generally for today, right now it's cloudy, and for today, we'll be seeing some rain. Right now, we have calm winds. Temperature is about 41 degrees. But again, the main story is going to be those clouds and rain behind me right now. So as we look to the temperatures, we can see 40s, some 50s across the state, but generally pretty mild. But as a sign of what's to come, we can look out to a broader view of the country. You can see those 40s and 50s continue in the eastern portion of the country. But then as we move to the west, you can see a cold front cutting across the country with some pretty drastic temperature drops across it. Those temperatures up in the upper Midwest are pretty frosty. So that's just a small sign of what's to come for us over the weekend. As we cut to the temperature change, in the past 24 hours, we've gotten a little bit warmer across the Commonwealth, especially in the Pittsburgh area. But again, what we want to focus on is when we zoom out and we see that temperature change across the cold front, warmer on the eastern half and much colder on the western half of that cold front. Some places dropping up to 25 degrees. So again, going to be chillier for us on Sunday. Looking at the radar right now, we can see rain across the Commonwealth, just moving through there right before the front passes through. And as we look out, yeah, you can see it on the eastern portion of the front right before it passes. We're getting that rain, and then on the other side, we're getting cooler temperatures and a couple less clouds. For the future weather, again, we've got those rainy skies right now. Those by tonight, the rain will move out and we'll be left with a couple of lingering clouds, but nothing too bad. And then by tomorrow, just to really see those cooler temperatures, we have a couple of snow flurries, nothing to worry about, but might be gracing your skies on Saturday morning, especially in the western half of the Commonwealth. Finally, for the rest of the weekend, nothing too much. Really just some cloudy skies, no precipitation. Not a great day to go outside because, again, those temperatures will be a little bit cooler, but nothing to worry about by way of the roads. Looking out for the future weather, we can really just see those clouds over the Commonwealth, especially on Sunday. Nothing to worry about on Monday as well. Clear skies for your weekend. For temperatures, right now you can see that we are in the 40s and 50s really across the Commonwealth. Pretty seasonable temperatures. Those will not stick around. Right before the front, you can see that there's a little bit of warm advection coming in, getting the temperature up to 60 near the Philly area. But you can start to see a little bit of what's to come over in Erie. As we continue the forecast, you can start to see a little bit more of that front passing through, warmer to the southeast, cooler to the northwest. And then here the front really starts to take over. We can see those temperatures start to drop. 30s is going to be more common across the Commonwealth before finally really getting into those cooler temperatures. For the future, again, you can see that front. And then by Sunday morning, we will have some really chilly temperatures. So make sure that you bring those parkas back out for Sunday morning because you will need them with temperatures below the 20s in many parts of the state. By Monday, though, these temperatures will continue to rise and get back up to something a little bit more spring-like. So winter's not quite over, but we're getting back to something a little bit more normal for the beginning of your work week. Today, just for a summary, we have some rain showers that are going to be passing through and a high of 53 degrees. Tonight we have a low of 29 and cloudy. And then for tomorrow we have a high of 42 with some of those clouds sticking around. For your 7-day outlook, really nothing exciting after today. We're not going to see our next raindrop until Thursday. Temperatures, even though getting a little bit cold on Sunday, they're going to remain pretty seasonable throughout the week. And again, we will not be seeing any rain until Thursday, so we've got that to look forward to at the beginning of next weekend. For Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Emily Shor. Have a great Friday.